Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy using chicken stock, updated. Start by collecting pan drippings and measuring 2 cups of stock, then make a roux with fat and flour until lightly golden. Slowly whisk in the warm chicken stock to avoid lumps, simmer to thicken, then season with salt and pepper. Finish with a splash of acid or herbs to brighten the flavor and serve hot with roasted meats. Make a proper roux by cooking equal parts fat and flour until it smells nutty and turns golden. Slowly stream in warm chicken stock while whisking constantly to create a silky base. Keep the heat moderate and simmer, stirring occasionally until the gravy reaches the thickness and sheen you like. Adjust thickness with more stock or a slurry if it becomes too thick, and always taste before serving to balance salt and seasoning. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps crumbs and spills at bay so you can focus on making gravy instead of sweeping. It responds to voice commands and maps rooms for smarter cleaning, which is great when cooking gets messy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Finish your gravy with small flavor boosts that make a big difference. A teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice lifts the richness, while fresh chopped herbs add aroma and color. If your gravy has lumps or bits, pour it through a fine mesh strainer for a velvety finish. Taste and tweak the seasoning one last time and serve immediately over roasted chicken, mashed potatoes, or a savory pie for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.